So Bitcoin did go down, as I had told you yesterday. The resistance was at 27,700. It went up till 27,600 or 660. It couldn't even touch the resistance, and it came down. It hit the first target of 27,000, then the other target of 26,500, and our third target that it has not touched yet is $26,000. So I expect from Bitcoin to continue to go down towards these targets. Even if it recovers a bit, I would still expect it to go down, because as long as the resistance holds, which is pretty up now, which is 27,700, I continue to expect Bitcoin to go down, and I would expect Bitcoin to go even down further than that of 26,000. But once we hit the target 3, then I will be able to reevaluate the market, and I will be able to tell you whether it's going to go up from here or down. But right now we expect a more downward trend. Of course, I mean, it has already achieved the 2 targets. It just needs to hit $26,000, and then we will be able to reevaluate the market. And don't forget to hit and like and subscribe for more content so you don't miss out on it.